Welcome to Sleep Science today, to another version of Sleepy Teeny. Today we're doing cucumber, ginger, watermelon refresher. We got this beautiful fresh watermelon here. We got to use it. Okay, I said the first thing was cucumber, so we're going to take cucumber. You don't need a whole lot because it's just a single drink. In goes the cucumber. Watermelon. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. Cucumber, watermelon. I have to eat this. It's so fresh. I don't know what to tell you. That's great. Ginger, just a little bit. Grate it in. You don't need to overdo it. What do we add here? We add melatonin, 3 milligrams. We add in chamomile tea. Oops. Almost lost the top there. And let's get to muddling. Yeah, whoever invented muddling came up with a great idea, because otherwise you wouldn't be getting all the flavors and the juices and the goodness out of the fruits and vegetables, and just so many good things for you. You don't need any of that artificial stuff. You notice we don't add sugar or anything. Once in a while we may give some agave syrup, but we don't put sugar in ever. We don't put any artificial chemicals. We don't put in just nothing. This is just good stuff that's good for you. Okay, ready to get shaken. We need some ice. Got one that got away there. Ice. I'm going to strain this out. Cucumber has a lot of fiber and pulp in it. Watermelon has a little bit. Okay. Put that in there. Put our top on. And shake. Now I know somebody's going to comment for me that I might not be shaking the martini the way they like it. So go ahead, comment, tell me how you would do it. Maybe you'll teach me something. But let's take a look at what this looks like here. The beautiful red watermelon color. Look at that. Let's see. What do you think is going to be more overpowering? Watermelon, cucumber, or do you think it's going to be good balance? Let's find out. Wow, they're actually kind of equal. It's unique. What's great is they're so cold. You put them in this and it just really makes them cold. Okay, so what did we put in here? We put in cucumber, we put in watermelon, we put in chamomile tea, and we put in 3 milligrams of melatonin. Shake it up and boom, there you go. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, tell your friends, comment, do your part, we do our part. Sleep Science today, and sleep better tonight.